Hello world. I was online before Christmas having a look for extruders and found a chap in America who'd made a video showing you how to make one. And it was really simple. And I went straight out, bought all the things that he told me that I needed to make one, and unfortunately here in the UK it didn't work. So I had to think about it and set to trying to make my own, and this is the result. I hope you enjoy. Well, here we are. Here's my extruder. It's just one of these guns that you use to put seals around things, etc. And a tube with this, which I'm fortunate to have a next door neighbour who fits kitchens, so he gave me a whole load of these that are virtually empty. You take these, squeeze whatever's left in them out, give them a wipe round inside as much as you can, and leave them to dry out for a day or so. At the end of that time, whatever's in there should just peel straight off it, off the inside. What you do then, it says I have one prepared earlier, end up like that, it's clean inside. So what you want to do then, I mean, you can just use this on its own if you just want to do coils. But what I did was a chopped hole in the top, as you can see, with a reasonable overlap, if that makes sense, a bit to hang over. And then used this, rolled out some clay flat, used it to chop out little circles, little discs, and cut various shapes into the discs, fired them and glazed them, and you end up with something like this. This was one I was trying to do for tubes, but that wasn't successful. But I'll speak a bit about that in a moment or two. You then pop this in the bottom of your tube, as if by magic I have one here that's ready to go. Stick some clay in the top, obviously. Use this to squeeze down, and there you have your extrusions. What I've done, you can see this, is I've chopped out a little piece of ply and mounted that on the end of it. I've tried using the caps that come out, but it wasn't very successful. You may have more luck. I used one of these things for a drill and just chopped out the right size. As I say, mount that onto the end and then away you go. So next I'm going to show you the tests that I've made so far, and you can judge for yourself. So here are the results of my test with the nozzles. This is the first one. You can see it's quite a thick handle, which should work well on teapots and larger wares. Here's the next one, same sort of shape, more of the shape I use for handles on my mugs, and that came out well as well. This one's like a twin hole one. I don't know if you can see the profile there. There again, I think that'll work well for mug handles. Pretty good. This one I just made 3 holes in, and comes out in 3s, which you can twirl together if you want to. Make big handles like that. Here's another one of the twin hole ones, larger this time. Same sort of profile again. Maybe chunky handles. And here's the one I'm most impressed with. What I did was I just rolled a bit of clay, made sure there's 2 loops basically joining it. Can you see that? There you go. In the middle. What it makes is a tube, which is It's something I've wanted to do for ages. I have some plans for that. So all in all, I'm pretty chuffed with the experiment. I hope you've enjoyed, and I hope I've inspired you a little.